Hello, this is Feras. Today is the 22nd of December and it's 2018, 11:56 a.m. Saturday. Today is Saturday. We are going to build a website for um, this business, website design at Neweb4u. I don't know how to spell this thing. Okay, but the website is this one, and this view here. This is a PHP developer. He is into this one is a PHP developer. So he provides web solution. In other words, if you have a science, and for every science there is an application, this person provides web application. Now, when we describe web application, there's a science called public relation, and it is now today we describe it as information technology. There's marketing, and we today describe it as virtual places. Like if you did go from here, you will say, okay, web application. For public relation, we will say information technology. And if you said marketing, you will say, virtual place. And if you said product, you will say image. If you said price, you will say text. And if you said promotion, you will say image promotion, video promotion. If you said prospecting, presenting, and sales, if you said here's sales also, you will say powerful presentation with a sales forum. That's it. So this is what we call as online or internet business, the internet business part. Okay, but also we have the web application as a product, as a service, or a culture. For example, Google, YouTube, Facebook, so on. These are services and a culture. For what? For push marketing and pull marketing. Like for example, Google can do some pull marketing, and they also can do some push marketing, some advertising for your virtual address or your physical address. So what this person can do is he can provide a web application for a virtual place. He can do web application for a virtual place, and also he can do a web design. Before we reach the PHP part, we have a web design for a virtual place. For a virtual place. We have web design, web application for a virtual place. Why would we describe it as that? Well, because when we build the website, first we have the idea. Maybe it's a product image, for example, or a product promotion image. Okay, and we have a structure for that. We start to go to structure, which is HTML, if you did hear about that, HTML5 for example, and we have animation, we have design, like the color here and the text, we call it design, and the font type, and we have animation like some animation like animation like this. What is happening here, this is an animation, like this here, black, you see the black, that was animation. This thing here, animation. Okay, 5, we have the programming. Okay, and after that we have public relation, we have the marketing, and what I mean by that, marketing as push and pull marketing, and we go from a place to another. Push, pull marketing. Like for example, using Facebook services, we will say, okay, push marketing with Facebook, Google push marketing, or pull marketing here, adding the values. Now point 6 here, we have a value, we want to share it, and we have created, for example, a value. We create values. For example, a video, a question is a value. For example, give me a question, that will be a value. well, doctor, what do I like? If you, doctor, how you can help me? He will say, okay, I will. Here is 1, 2, 3, okay, and that will be, and you go to the pharmacy, and he will fix you. Okay, that will be the doctor thing. Like, okay, he did fix me now, the doctor. Okay, now here for us, we'll go for 7, which is sales. Here is your generated lead, and I did use generated lead because we have here values, for example. Okay, so here's somebody who did find a value here in what we are saying, and he's going for the paid part. Okay, and also we have this plan from programming. When we reach the programming, we can go with an idea. This idea is a product is the service, and it is the culture, and it is the culture. Culture is a free, like we say, okay, this is a free, you can use Google for free, and Google will say, okay, push marketing. Good. Sorry. So let me drink a water here. Water. So good. I don't know. Our friend here he do web application as science application, and he do web application as public relation, marketing, and sales application. Now the minimum part is, here's a phone number. Here's my phone number. You can see my phone number now, 775410005440544. I would say this is my phone number, right? And in sales we call this access to people who can help you. If you did call this number, this mean, okay, I will have an inbound call. I will have an inbound call. Inbound call in a state of mind what it is about. Okay, here's the inbound call. Now I did have the access. I did have what I call as access, need, and cash. Access. Here's the access. Somebody is calling me, and need, and cash. Okay, and cash. So a web page here, we can push it. This page we can push marketing with this page to register this access, to document this access, and to confirm this need. Like a little bit, here's the pain. This is what the pain that we solve. Our friend here is solving this situation. I do have a skill, as you can see. His clients, some of this person here is a concert piano. I say piano. I don't know how to say it. Musician. Okay. And another one here also musician, and another one here also musician. They play on the piano. Okay. This is the skill that they have. Okay, I'm somebody who play on the piano. If you said, okay, in the family, well, okay, first start playing. Oh, I will start playing something here. I will do something. Okay. If you said, okay, that was the family. If I said, okay, here's my friends, and we did go in the college, and in the college they have some, I can play piano. Oh, here's the band. Let's do something. I will play on the piano. Okay. Now I'm going to get paid for that. Well, that will be an event, right? Like here's an event, or here's an evening. We are going to do some evening here, or a nice provide some good time for these people, right? That will be some band going for this event, and let's see what they have. Let's have some good time here. Okay. So I don't know you, and you don't know me, and I'm just somebody who going for this location to have a good time. Since you are in the band, okay, that will be somebody that arrange this event. somebody did arrange this situation. Maybe I'm going for a restaurant, and you did appear there, you and your band. They did say that in the menu, like here's this Frank will be there, Frank Wines will be there, I don't know. Okay, so the situation is usually with people who have a skill. Okay, people who have a skill. Well, if I'm a Frank, I would say, okay, here's my family, and Frank is playing the piano for the wife. Now he did give his family a good time or a bad time, I don't know. Now he went to friends, and he said, okay, here's the friends, and let's give these people here a friend. Here's a friends. I don't know how to type it. Okay, okay. Here's a friends, and okay, he did that university thing and so on. Now we need new people. Okay, I need new people. Usually, I might be a restaurant here. I might be a hotel. I might be some location here. We are having this. Maybe we're having a political campaign. Okay, and we did use Frank help for a political campaign. We might have that in a restaurant. We might have that in a hotel. Now Frank is looking for customers. He's looking for customers, and maybe he went to TV. Maybe he went to radio. Maybe he's going for a talk show. He's one of a talk show band. So and so and so. Now to hire Frank or the other people here, the other ones, to hire these people here. If I want to hire them, how? I did see that these people here, here's this live thing. These people, he provide live interactive piano lessons. To hire this person, how? Order books online, order accessories, piano lesson live at your home. Here is that forum, and he did help these people. Good. That is why a website. Was for these three clients. He did have these three clients. Good. So a hotel manager have access on him. Restaurant have access on him. Families have access on him. Like somebody who want to teach his kid to play on a piano, or yeah, he provide lessons here. For example, piano lessons at your home. This is a piano teacher, and here's somebody said, okay, I'm going for I want these people here in a nice lovely events with the family, my family here. I want to provide them with a private event here. I don't know, at lunch, at dinner, at breakfast, I don't know, morning, evening, and so on. So the access on this skill is now available with this thing, or order books online, or actually sign up for this person provide lessons thing. Okay, I don't know. Good. So that was their help. This is their ideas. I don't know about your skill, but what we did, or what he did for them, he did provided the access. On the service. Okay, he did provided that as provided it and documented. Like this is document and registered and so on. So we keep that. Like when you click save on the phone, okay, I save these people contact detail. Okay, and so on. Like I can share it now with my friend. That was the so on. What? Okay. If you don't have cash, like you will pay in debit card, for example, right? Debt card, or you will, I don't know, but you have a need for these people help, and you did look for them. So what this person do as his idea is that he have no idea about your skills, but he can test it. He have no idea about your skills, but he can provide access on you. That he have no idea about your science application, but he can build it as a product. But he have no idea about your web application, but he maybe about your science or skill. Science. Why is the difference between a science and a skill? Like, for example, I don't know how to write, but they call it writing skills. What is the difference? Well, here is a skilled writer. We call him a best-selling author. and here is a writer, and here's somebody who know how to write. So a skilled writer is somebody who will provide every month a best-selling book, for example, or every 3 months or year a best-selling book. Why? Because he were trained to be a professional on that thing with the system, that with the distribution channel that he have as a publisher. Now we have a best-selling author. So the skill here, we have access on that skill. We have access on these doc files, and now we can print it and share it with you and sell it as a product. Now our friend here with PHP, web development application, he can provide a product, service, and culture. He can provide information technology for public relation. He can provide marketing, virtual place, and he can also have the product and the price, like how product, price, and promotion. How is that? That will be a video or an image. If you did visit any pizza, like visit Domino's Pizza website, you will see that the product, price, and the promotion is being done with video. We call it video promotion, right? And they have, these people are on delivery thing. And if you said the virtual place, you will say their website, or you said, okay, now to where? To your place, your home, and so on. They have also a mobile application. They did have a mobile application to practice the virtual place. Good. So also this person here can provide you with this a little bit as a website designer. Like if I did provided this, like if you did share web designer lesson with this person, he will become a web designer. Like I know, I'm sure of that. Like this one here can become his name is Richard here will become a web designer also, and he is already a web application developer, PHP developer. Okay, what is the difference between a web designer and a web developer? Well, this is here. Like web designer did stop at this point, web developer started at this point. Web developer started at programming, web designer started at idea, structure, design, and animation, and he did stop here. Here's it, like the training was to this point, and this one training was from this point, just only this point. He have a little bit, like they teach them a little bit from HTML, they teach them a little bit on CSS, and a little bit on animation, and a little bit on, but the ideas here are product ideas, are service and culture. Okay, not the distribution channel, not the virtual place, not the information tech part, like as public relation, value to the hour. What is this? This is value to the hour, text to the hour. Like if you did see CNN, Fox News, CNBC, BBC, any channel, they have, like if you did provided them with a Facebook account, or you did see them on a Facebook account or a page, you will see that these people provide every 10 minutes news. They provide an urgent news. They provide every 1 hour news. They will share the video with you. Okay, and so on and so on. In other words, public relation or information technology people who are on the on communication part, they provide value to the hour, value to every 30 minutes. But here for our situation as marketers, we provide value every, I don't know, we provide value every some time. I do upload to YouTube videos and so on. So I'm doing that right now. So it depends on your skills. Okay, so the website thing is really a solution, and for marketing, this is marketing, like but marketing and public relation and sales, but it depends on the user. Like, okay, who's the user here? Like, is this user is a best-selling author? Is this user a real teacher? Like, we have a teacher and we have a real teacher. We have a fake teacher and we have a teacher. What is the difference here? Well, you just give them a Facebook account and watch. Just give them a YouTube account and watch. That is the difference. This person have a value to provide and teach and and to admire. Like, this is a place of admiration, this teacher. Why? Because he provide to the value, values, values. Now, for example, like that will be Don Rickles' joke on Denzel Washington. Like he just like he described him as Don Rickles describing Denzel Washington as shoot, produce, and sell, something like that. So it depends on the skilled person. Here's the camera, and here's Denzel Washington. Here's the camera, and here's Don Rickles. They didn't make any success. I really admire Don Rickles. Why? None a single show were successful. Like, they usually shut down his shows. Why? It's really funny, but I don't think they are really like they are really on that place. Like, oh, he's really funny. I don't know. Until he is like 90 years old, they started to see him as a value. We did lost Don Rickles. We did lost. I don't know, man. I don't think that I don't think I did lost him. I don't know. He have a lot of values. He did share a lot of values. If you just search for Don Rickles, you will find the amount of values that he did provide. Okay. So that will be here. That will be here. Okay. Now, get back to Frank. I don't know. Get back to Frank thing. This is a piano. He pianist concert. Oh, the word is concert. Oh, like you can provide a concert. I was looking for this word, concert. Educator. Okay. So this one provide a teacher product. This one provide a teacher product. This one provide also a teacher product, and they provide concert. I was looking for the word concert here, so I did say something. And okay, the word is concert. Okay. So this website is what you like. What values do you have? Like, are you somebody on webinars? Are you somebody on videos? Are you somebody on movies, on a screen? I don't know. I have no idea who you are and what you do. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, so the idea for us is really blank, but we can describe it as like, are you looking for view? I can describe it like this. This is for me. Like, are you looking for a new view? This is a vein shared by every producer. Every producer here, or every manufacturer, is looking for view. He is looking for sharing his values with them. He's looking to share his ideas with them. He's looking to share his skill with them. Here's these people here, like they created the concert, this concert thing. Anyway, good. But let me get back to his situation. Let me get here. This is the home page. We declare what we do. He's doing webmaster, website development. This is the marketing plan bar, network administration. Now this person do network administration. Here's some computer indoor, and we need to do some network thing. Here's a server. Here's okay. Like, for example, give me an example. Well, you are looking to an internet solution. This is an internet solution. There's an intranet. Like, there is no access to this thing from from outside the company. Oh, that was a hard word. From outside the company. Like what? Like, here's our financial accounting system. I don't want anybody to see this. Like, I don't want anybody to look at what how many sales we did today, or how much I pay or how much I paid for coffee. I don't want anybody to see that. So I need intranet. I need a local computer. We call it server, working for helping for company documentation thing or digitizing thing. Like we have systems and we did digitize that, and we did buy some of it and so on. And this person here can do some internet and internet. There's internet and internet. This part here, this here bar, this will to this point here we have internet. To this point here intranet and wizards. Like here's the network and here's the system and here's and so on and so on. Okay, so he do some network administration, but I didn't see that. Register contact. Why he would say register? To give you access to what? Okay. Why would you say register? It's very slow. Oh, contact Richard. Register. Okay. His name is Richard. I did forget Don Rickles' line on shooting, blah blah blah, shooting, producing, and distribute. I don't know. I did forget his word. Very nice line. Let me have that. Let me have that line. Where is that? www. I will have it. Ask.com. That will be Don Rickles and Denzel Washington. I don't know how to type his name. Denzel Washington. David Letterman. On David Letterman. That will be video. This one here, but I don't know which. Yeah.
On HBO, correct. All of your friends, I'm not in it.
Because you hide out.
No.
No, you're in the Midwest sitting there with your child and your girl and nobody knows what the hell you're doing. That's it.
Oh, this what I was talking about. Okay. So here's the contact and the register thing and the promote thing. We did these 3 pages to the point. And the portfolio thing, oh boy, we did all of this. Just the about. We are left with the about. Oh boy. Hello, my name is Richard. I'm the owner of... Oh. Okay. You are the... He's an artist. Within cities web development and hosting. Okay. You are an artist. Now let me see this. You have 3 domains or 4, I don't know. Ah, he played piano. Okay. Like there was something. Okay. I have been making websites for about 9 years. My programming skills are HTML, XHTML, JavaScript. He have some CSS, Adobe CSS3, web design, software, PHP and MySQL, WordPress, Joomla and Drupal thing. For over 6 Drupal. I don't know. Is this VB thing? I don't know if he would mention it. For over 16 years I have studied computer by using them, reading about them, and taking various classes to improve my skills. It has been hobby and new profession since 2000. Web design and hosting. He's web design and hosting. I did see that he's going for... I didn't read this, but I did see he's going for hosting. Come on, open this thing. Web design and hosting. Okay, let's get back a little bit. In my early experience with computer, I owned the early 1990. Like this is the promotion video. Like you can find the Macintosh here promotion video, like 1980. Okay. Now looking to this, I don't know. So plan. Now we need he have an looking to the sales matrix. Here's the sales. My main living. I am a full-time piano and vocal teacher during the afternoon. My main this is what I do. Okay. So network administration and computer repair and tech services, and about my web development, my main living. Now do you know what he did describe it as about? I would keep it as about. Okay, I don't know why, but computer repair and tech service, I will keep it as about. Okay, let me have an about page. It's up to him, not up to me. Up you. Here's this. About us, yeah. It's up to him. Now I don't want this to be full screen, yeah, because I have menu here. Here's services. Oh, there's services, and there's about us, and there's a phone number. Yeah. I don't know. What do you think? You see, I have network administration, and I have this thing. I have computer repair and tech services, and I have this. Yeah, this is landing pages about my services, about my web. Okay, just a second. Let me draw this page. Let me draw this page. Okay, forget about all of this. Okay, here's that control and all. We know what he's doing. Okay, here's that. He do. Let me have this here. Come on, can I have this like this? Okay, can I draw here? Tools. First of all, he have network administration. Let me have this. Oh, not bad. I don't know why I have network administration. Okay, this is his bullshit. Computer repair and tech services. Come on here. Okay. Good. About my web development, I guarantee to create websites which are clear to develop, blah 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 blah, valid with blah 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 blah. My main making living. So he's talking about and about and about. Okay, about a new. So I have here a service, network administration. I have computer repair and tech services. Good. Good. So I need to create a page. This is what I need to do. Okay, good. So I need to create a page and another page, another page, and another page. Or I will continue with the same page and have another thing. Why? Okay, if I did get to the idea of here's web solution for marketing, if I get to the idea of here's network administration, and if I get to the idea of here is computer services, right? This is support. He is providing support, and he's providing support for this computer thing. So we call it support services. This is outsourcing support services for local, yeah, and computer repair tech and tech services. This mean this outsourcing support. Okay, here's a contract for support, outsourcing support for network, like okay, just network administration. And Good. So this is outsourcing part. So and computer repair. So if I did this, if I did provided here the website development, he can do from here push marketing. He can do push marketing for this idea, okay, and he can do push marketing for this idea, and he can do push marketing for this idea. Good. Now if I did this, I'm doing pull marketing for this. I'm doing here pull marketing. I'm doing here pull marketing for these three IDs, but I'm doing pull marketing for 1, 2, 3 IDs, but I'm doing the pull marketing on the metadata and the content. Okay, but the pull marketing here, I can do push marketing, but if you did, like, there's a situation we suffer from. As a sales agent, as a marketing agent, I will talk to you with one thing. Good. As a client, I'm looking for somebody to, like, here's the IT company, they did do the network for me, they did do the support for me, like antivirus, like and so on, and they did this and that for, and they did build a website for me, okay, and they did build a website as a prototype, then something live to do, and we are doing some push marketing. Like the prototype part is a web design, since I have a long list of doing things, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and he's going for programming. No, just do the prototype as a virtual place, then a solution, like, okay, like this, what I'm doing right now. This is what I'm doing. Okay, this will be the marketing virtual place prototype. Okay, I can continue with these IDs, okay, and I can say full introduction here. Okay, just a second. Here's one, here is share, here's one, another one, here's another one, oh, come on, and here is share, here's another one. Okay, I'm looking for something. Now I need an image. Oh boy, I did put myself in that situation. Anyway, and here's share. Okay, good. Now introduction with image. Now he did this, he did that. Now let's just start by network administration. He's going for network. Just a second. What do you mean network administration? I currently work with Unix machine, Linux operating system, and have experience with Microsoft servers 2003 and plus. 2003 and plus, like this person. Yeah, you can do some services. Blah 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 blah. Network administration. I. We. I. While working for the Virgin store, I help assist. Oh. I need some to take. Oh boy, he's telling me something. Network administration. Oh boy. Network administration. Okay, now what it is about. Unix machines and Microsoft Plus. Okay, let's see this line. Let me see this line. he's talking more. Network administration for small businesses. Okay, just a second. While looking for, setting up. Okay. Oh, the word is setting up. Okay. Network administrator for small businesses. Setting up network. Setting up network. Okay. Okay, let me get back a little bit here. Okay, here we go. Oh boy. Setting up networks. So he's setting up networks. That's it. Network administrator. Setting up networks from the ground. Setting up the furniture network from the ground up. From the ground up. Yeah, this is it. Network administration, more. I need what? What image I need here? Let me have network administration. Let me click here. Do you have a computer server thing? Computer. Like network. Give me a network. Yeah, this thing here. This thing will be like, huh? I don't know. This one is doing the network now. Thank you very much. You were a help. Oh, this is programming. This is programming if a statement. Blah blah. Oh, and it's not. It's not. I don't like that. I'm looking for something like wizard. This is programming. Uh, like cables. Okay. Ah, cables. Give me cables. Like. Huh. Uh, ah, boy. No, no. No. Oh boy. I like this. How is this? Like, I don't know. I'm the street. Oh, here's cable. Here's the network. Oh boy. Come on, come on. I'm really sorry. I'm really. Come on. I'm sorry. I feel bad. Oh, thank you very much. Here we go. That's it. That's it. Okay, network administration thing. Okay, this is it. Now you understand what I do. Now, what he said here as a call to action. Okay, here said call. See, he said call. Like, this is what he do with these things. Not a request call back thing. No, call. Call. Okay, I will keep it on call. Not live demo. I don't. No, no, no. Cancel. Remove. That's it. Cool. Okay, here's the phone number. Let me have that phone number. Let me have here from the end, on the end, Control MV. We have this phone number. That's it. Okay, and let me have this phone number. There's a phone number here. That's it. There. Okay, we are done with this network administration. Okay, connection with image. Okay, it's been 48 minutes. Let me pause a little bit. Thank you very much for this break. I don't know. Okay, let's get back a little bit here to what we. Now he said also that he do what he do. What you do? He said computer repair and tech services. Now I need computer repair and is your computer not working? Oh, thank you very much. I do the I thing. So he's the I bar. Ah boy. Computer repair and tech services. Now this is support and support services. This is support services and tech services. I don't know. He might be on the tech service. We will figure that out. Just a second after reading it out. Computer repair and support services. This is support. Is your computer now working right? I do computer repair. My rates are responsible. My rates are reasonable. Oh, so give me a call. I guarantee you computer will work normally again, or my work is free. Guarantee you computer will work normally again, or my work is free. Okay, that is computer will work normally again, or my work will be free. That's what he do. Computer will work normally again, or my work is free. My work, or it's free, or it is free. It was for free. Well, it was or it is on the house, or it is on the house, or it is on the house, like, or it is on the house. That's it. Computer will work normal again, or it is on the house. To our travel where you are within Reno and Spark area to prepare your computer. Please give me, please will work normal again, or it is on the house. Okay, so remove Reno and Sparks area. Reno and Sparks area. RUN Reno or Sparks area. Computer will work normal again, or it is on the house. Okay, now this will be removed. This will be gone. Good. Let me change this into text. Oh boy, I hate the background image. Can I make it a color? Oh, thank you very much. Now we are looking for computer repair and support services. Like, did I know? Call me. Like, no. Do you know what? This thing. Thank you very much. Your computers on the house. Normal again, or it is on the house. Free. How he did describe it? My work is free. Free. I mean free. Like, if you didn't get it, like free. Free. Okay. So, are you in the Reno and Sparks area? Your computers were, yeah. We are done here. Okay. Let's start by the services. This person here, he do provide this thing. Oh, just a second. Website development for a marketing plan. Website development for a marketing plan, not item, sub item. This will be like a mobile part. Oh, this is bigger. For a website development for a, I can, yeah, that's it. Network administration. Now maybe the size will be like, oh, he did, yeah, I believe so. Come on. Add sub menu. Don't play games on me. Okay? I hate it when people play, like when a computer start playing computer repair and support. Boy, this will be big. We have to get up there until we can get this again. Sub menu. I'll go here. Here we go. Services. Network administration, computer repair. Now web development thing. Here's the web development thing. Okay, so let's wait on that. Web development for marketing plan. For marketing plan. Network administration services. Okay. Set up network. Network administration / setup. Setup. Or shut up. Manage administration, network setup, computer repair and support. Oh, this is a very computer repair and support services. Support services and network. Web development for marketing plan, network administration setup, and I will add the line here. If you said piano lessons, well, piano lessons, that is my life. Like, no, I'm not like I did get to the IT, but well, like piano lessons a little bit better. You know, like, yeah, you know. Here we go, you know. This was the phone number, huh? Okay, here's the call. Here's a call here. Let me have this phone number. Insert link. And here's a call again. This link, insert it, and we have another call, and all of these are red. We have a call here. Okay, here's an inbound call, and here's an outbound call, inbound. Okay, the color, let me change it to red, and here's another color. Let me change it to red. I like it red. You don't like it red? No, I like it red. It's even better. You know what? This color. Yeah. No. Gray? No. Blue? No, it's like it doesn't. White. This color. Now here, this color also. No. This color. Yeah. Yep, things are going right here. Now a little bit here, the image here. Yeah. Okay, this is text. Yeah. Is this text? Text. Title 2? No. 3. Good. Oh. Okay. To the point here, I do see the sales matrix, these services. Now, if I'm somebody who's going for push marketing now, this is a pull marketing. Like if I did say, okay, here's his website, okay, they do network administration, here's the services, I will look at the services, I know that I did that. Okay, he did a click here, he didn't click, he did go like this. Okay, and here. Good. So what next? If we did these, let me do this thing here. I'm looking for pull marketing here. How to do pull marketing? I'm looking to share this website like with you, like what to do now. Well, I have friends, I have view, I have connection, right? Share this. Okay, share it, not like it, share it. This is different. Like if you did, oh, can you like my page here? Can you do it? No. Listen, share it. Okay, share it, and he will share it. Okay, this is what I'm looking for, not the like. Oh, like no. Can you please share it with it? Like okay, if you are looking for, here's it. Yeah, thank you very much. You did amazing help. Now let's get to your phone number. Like let's get to your phone, and what do you have contact here? What do you want? Like, no, I'm not. No, don't get me wrong. Yeah, I did get you wrong. No. I'm just want contact details of like for customers. Like why? Okay, so his friends, his family, and so on. Okay, now we like these people here that help us with sharing. Okay, and sharing. Okay, so here's some values, like here's the values, like are you looking for new people? Yeah, and so on. This person do administration, do this, website development for marketing plan, network administration and setup, computer repair and support services. So I will share these things here. Okay, so you know, like here's, so in other words, I might have to, like within the week, like I might have some 5 new sales, 5 new contracts with this sharing part. Okay, or nothing. Okay, so now what? Now we are going for push marketing and pull marketing, like the heavy pull marketing. Like what is that? Videos, webinars, books, workshops, so on, events. Okay, and for this thing, network administration, like we will do a campaign, and so on. We will do a campaign. So in other words, like, are you focused here or are you focused here? It's up to you. Are you focused here or are you focused here? Okay, why? Because here's some marketing work you have to do, marketing work, and here's a 3 mile square, and we are going to do a campaign here. Okay, like we are going to meet tomorrow, like we are going to meet a new 50 new person here, 50 new each person, each sales team here, sales member or team member is going to meet 50 new person, like that. Get like, what are you going to offer? Are you going to offer a new website, or are you going to offer support for the computers, or are you going to offer support? That's it, 50 new person. Good, on the street. And sure I did ask people to share my help here and here and there and there and there. Good. So what I did here is, as a marketer, I say, okay, here's his sales matrix, this person sales matrix, here it is. Good. So this is somebody who is scrolling here, and he did see 1, 2, 3 services, and if he did share that, he did share everything. Good, he did share everything, like the audience bar. The audience bar, he did share everything. Okay, and I did 1. Here's what I did: 1, 1, 2, and 3. I did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 share, 1 share. This is what I did. Okay, but we have here a very huge, big thing. A very huge. Why is that? This thing here. Very huge, big thing. Okay. Here we go. Oh. Oh, what? I don't know. Come on. Here's the link. This will be a link, a page, and home, and we will go to this feature, share, and we will go for this thing here, and the page and the home, and we will go to this feature. Okay, and we will go here and so on. Go to the home, and after we go to the home, we go to this feature. Done. Let me see a preview here. I did forget to edit the phone number up there. No, I did. No, I didn't. This is a different phone number. Yep. No, is it? 1082. No, this is a different phone number. This is a different phone number. And so on and so on. Oh, I'll make something. These colors are not what I'm looking for. Yeah, I didn't do that. Okay, I didn't handle expectation. I didn't. Yeah. Let me get here. Let me change this color. Let me do this color. Good. Let me change this number. What is the number? Where is the number? How to get that number? Here's this number. Okay. Is it the same? Yeah, 108. This is the wrong number. Okay, here it is. Are you looking? Blah blah blah. Okay, here I did a mistake. Cancel. I did a mistake here. Okay, and here I'll make it red. Why red? It's up to me. Here's this color, and here we go. Can I change this text to red? Like, it's black. Oh yeah. Yep, I don't like this black thing. I like gray. Yeah, it's not heavy on dye. It's like, oh shit. Why is this thing? What is this? Yeah, you have to look a little bit. Why is this? It's a little bit to solve your attention situation. Yep. Okay. Yep. Great, great. Good. I'm over here. That's it. 108. Where's the number? We are looking to the right. Now why is the color when I go like, yeah, nothing, white. Good. Call back. Why is this? I'll make a mistake. Another mistake. Come on, I can do as many mistakes as I want. Call back. Now they call this like I did that like what they call it? Test build, or test preview. I don't know. And get like for games developer, this is really heavy. Like, oh, they do that. You know that this game engine we can build and play, like, can you imagine that in 2018? Can you imagine that? It's really heavy thing, to be honest. Like, wow, I'm rendering and doing these things. Really? Yeah. Amazing. Amazing. Finally I did this. Finally I did see this. Okay. Network administration and so on. Okay, we are done here. Okay, services. Okay. Network administration. Okay, now we did have that thing here. Network administration. Last thing. Mobilize. Share this page. Share this page. This is a call. This is a call. Okay, and I did make 3 presentations. The other one was, can I copy paste this? Website development for marketing plan. Like, why website for marketing plan? Nobody did say that. Why website for your next value? Why website for a solution? Here's the knowledge, and here's the practice of that knowledge. Here's the science, and here's that application of that science. These 2 words, like, nobody like to say them in any university. Why? Because they have to say, we don't have any experience. But why? Like, if you don't have any experience, why would you teach me? Well, I do have teach experience. What is teach experience? Like, why is that? Well, I do read books, and I do tests, and I did test and thing, and I did like, why? Like, well, like, he or she can go anywhere from there. Like why you didn't have an experience? Well, I didn't go to the market and I look for a job. Like, why is this? This is a job, but why you didn't have a real job? They didn't have a real job. Like, no, you will not hire them. Here's somebody who will say, okay, I'm going to hire a PhD now. I will not. Why? Nothing. I have nothing. Like, but does he have an experience thing? No, nothing. Like, just have them with the team here. I will pay you for that. No, I don't. I don't want him around the team. He will damage the spirit, man. Why? Because he's going for boy. Like, you have to be a tough. I don't know, man. So this is the phone number. No, I do have that thing. Okay, now this is it for this video. Website development. These are the IDs. And now services. IDs pane. This is the pane, and IDs pane. This is the IDs part. IDs structure design animation. We did after this is structure design animation and so on. So here's his IDs: website development, network administration, why is this computer repair and support services. Work normally again, or it is on the house free. So and share. Okay, call, request a call back, and call. So to this point we have a contact center, or we have a call center. We did provided this page with a call center. This is a call center. Customer service, sales agent, they have inbound call, outbound call, and customer service will have an inbound call. That's it. We have a call center here, right? To the point we did use a call center services, and the phone system to handle this will be okay. But here we have an outdoor sales agent, an outdoor provider. Okay, call back. I'm done with this thing. I don't know. Anything? Do you think we have to do something else with this video? It's been like 70 minutes, 75 minutes. What do you think? To this point, I don't know. What do you think? To this point, we did the pull marketing thing. Like, if you did search for something here, and or I did requested somebody to help me with this. Okay, like this pull marketing here, what it is about. If I did ask you to share it with your friend, okay, and you said okay, someone said what it is about, and I did pull marketing here and here and here and here, and he did click on services and so on. Good. So I did that idea. I did the marketing part. Like we are reaching people with these ideas. Okay. So that is like, as individual here will operate as sales aid. Like if we did give him a training on begging people to share his website, he will have that. Okay, and he will have some new sales by the end of the week. This person will have something. Okay, or he's going for the pull marketing and the content and the values and we have the Don Rickles. This is Don Rickles to be really admired on that. They did a close show after a show after a show, and he kept going. He kept going until 90. That's the soul, Rickles. Okay, now looking here, just that's it. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of the day. We are going to continue with we're going to continue building this website, but not within this. Yeah, this is working. See you at the next video. Have a great rest of the day, and bye bye.